In this ACE review, I'm going to be showing you a software that is claiming that it will create viral TikTok videos for you and get you ClickBank sales every 7 minutes. I'm going to be showing you what this is and, of course, what this isn't. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, including a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out ACE, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I do have a bunch of extra bonuses that you are going to get if you decide to purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Okay, let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, at last, a software that flat out works like crazy. We simply select from 15,000 plus inbuilt viral TikToks, hit go and enjoy ClickBank sales every 7 minutes, even whilst we sleep, without tech skills or experience. So they're saying that they're getting sales from this every 7 minutes. I would really need to see a lot of proof to believe that. That's a lot of sales coming from TikTok videos and ClickBank. Essentially what the software does is it allows you to find affiliate offers to promote. It will allow you to find viral TikTok videos. It will allow you to create videos from that, and it builds ClickBank like affiliate pages for you as well to promote. So there's some usefulness in this app, but I have a hard time believing that it's going to make you ClickBank sales every 7 minutes. Here's proof that it works here. They say they have some ClickBank proof. I mean, it's actually reasonable proof. It's not like super high. So like when I see this kind of proof, it's much more believable to me than when I see like $10,000 a day or whatever. But I would need to see like a video here of them logging in and saying, okay, so here's the TikTok video. Here's how much traffic it got. Here's the sales that it brought in. Then I would believe it. But I just don't I don't believe it. So if you're going to purchase this, don't purchase it based upon the proof. Purchase it because you want a software that will create little TikTok videos for you and has an affiliate page builder built into it. So that's what this actually is here. And I'm going to show you a full demo of that in a second here. If we scroll down, they show people that are like making money on TikTok, but I mean, these people are creating videos themselves. Like they're not using a software to do this. They're making real videos and doing that on TikTok. So it's not like it's they're using like the software to do it. Now they're saying they got a test of 91 free visitors and they made $50, and then they pulled in 177 free visitors and 105. Like, if you're gonna do this, show me the real post and show me the real results from it. Because I don't believe it until I actually see it. Just the way I am, and with these sales pages these days, I have to actually see it. So they say if you purchase, you get access to the app, the done for you TikToks, step-by-step tutorials, the done for you offers, dummy guide. They say they have a $51 case study. I didn't see that anywhere. Maybe it's somewhere else, but yeah, that's the offer. If I scroll down here through all of this, it shows you everything that you get here, and it's a low price. What you can do is you're going to want to, when you come to the sales page, you're going to want to move your mouse away and a discount code will pop up. I make less as an affiliate by showing you this, but I want to make sure you get the lowest price. So please hit that like button. If you like the fact that I show you these discounts, you want me to keep doing it in the future. I'm going to play a quick video of them explaining this a little bit more. I'm going to come back, show you the backend area and the OTOs and the discounts. Okay, so after you purchase, you'll have access to this backend area that I showed you in that demo, where you can have these creative TikToks here that you can use. You can download TikTok videos. You've got your hashtags, your affiliate pages that you can create. You can download those, and the traffic source is simply that you select the page that you created and you can share on these different platforms. So it's some of these platforms are better than others, but like sharing on Evernote, I don't know how that's going to get you traffic. But like tweeting out to Twitter and Facebook, it's going to depend upon your following there as well. So just be aware of that. But there are ways of getting traffic, probably not a ton, but you can get some traffic from using some of these methods, and maybe you'll learn a new traffic method. Now there are multiple OTOs with this. They've got the unlimited edition, the done for you setup, autopilot edition, done for you campaigns, and the franchise edition, so you can sell as a reseller. With all these OTO pages, make sure that you move your mouse away, as you can get a discount on all of them as well. That's how they usually do their OTO pages. Also, if that doesn't work, click the no thanks button, and it should bring up a discount. Again, I make less as an affiliate, so please hit that like button. But yeah, that's all the OTOs. Pick and choose the ones that you like and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about ACE and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about this offer is the proof, the income claims. I don't think that they have enough backing behind them. I need to see more proof. I need to see more case studies in order to say, yes, they're actually doing this. So if you're going to purchase it, don't purchase it based upon that. What do I like about this? If you're looking for a way of creating TikTok videos, you want an inexpensive software to do that for you that will also create bonus pages as well, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at Ace, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.